So are you also running a business and do you also regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp? So I know it is very time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same questions over and over again. No problem, I'm here with a solution for you. You can create a WhatsApp AI chatbot who's going to solve all your user queries. But how can you create this WhatsApp AI chatbot? Using Pabbly Chatflow for free. Yes, you heard it right. You can create this AI chatbot for your own business using Pabbly Chatflow for free. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp AI chatbot, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin, and first let me show you the proper working of this AI assistant. So let's say I'm going to type on WhatsApp, hey, I need help, and I'm going to send this message. And once I send this message, automatically the AI is going to reply me, and as you can see, it has successfully replied me. I'm here to tell you and help you. Please let me know what you need assistance with. So let's say I'm going to type, I am planning a dinner. Can you suggest something spicy? And I'm going to send this message, and it is sharing me some spicy options. But let's say I'm going to type, I want non-vegetarian dishes, and I'm going to send this message, and automatically it is going to only share me the non-vegetarian spicy options, and you're going to see it is sharing me the same. So let's say further I'm going to type, can you recommend a combo for 2 people, and I'm going to send this message. And once we send this message, you're going to see automatically it is going to recommend the combo for 2 people too. So yes, you can see within seconds and in real time it is suggesting me the food according to my own preferences, and also making the combos and recommending me these combos. So you must be wondering how this AI agent knows so much about my restaurant. So I have uploaded this knowledge base, and the AI is replying me according to this knowledge base only. Let's say I'm going to type what will be the cost of this combo. So let's say I'm going to type what will be the cost of this combo, and I'm going to send this message. And once I send this message, you're going to see accurately this AI is going to reply me using the same knowledge base. Alright, so let's wait for a few seconds till AI is replying me. So as you can see that it is replying me successfully. You're going to see the rate is exactly the same which we have mentioned over here. So yes, this is the powerful AI agent which we're going to create in today's video. It is going to solve all your user queries within seconds and in real time. So yes, but how you can create this? To create this, we're going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So first open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. I have already added it. If you wish to add a new WhatsApp number, you have to go towards this add WhatsApp number. You're going to get 2 methods. A video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. Then you have to go towards this left hand of the side of AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn about any another feature in detail, a video tutorial for same has also been given in the description box below. You can check it out. But right now we have to build an AI assistant from scratch. So we're going to go towards this add AI assistant button and name our assistant and click on this add AI assistant. So yes, I had already logged in into my Pabbly Chatflow account. If you haven't logged in inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, our URL of the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. Go on that URL, click on sign up for free and log in inside Pabbly Chatflow, and you're going to get 100 credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. So yes, you can see now we are on this window, and over here it is asking me to give the instructions. So you're going to see there are multiple instructions types. So first, if you wish to give a custom prompt, you can go towards this custom prompt and give a custom instruction. But if you want some pre-built examples, we have provided that, like the AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and much more. So once you select this pre-built example, you don't have to edit much of the instructions. If you wish, you can definitely add or delete some instructions according to your needs, but if you wish, you can definitely keep it as same also. I'm going to keep it as same only and move on further. Now it is asking me for the temperature. So over here you have to set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you keep the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.3. Now let's move in further. It is saying select AI to use. So I'm going to select my AI, which is OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to select the model over here. That's GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. And now it is asking me for the API key. So I'm going to select the API key. But over here, you wish to generate this API key, then you have to follow this help text and open the OpenAI API key page. And after opening this page, what you have to do is you have to click on this create secret key button. You have to enter your key name, select the project and click on this create secret key. Your key will be generated. So you have to copy this key and paste it right over here in this API key section and click on this connect. And once you click on this connect, yes, you can see it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. The next which we have is this AI assistant settings. So if you wish, you can definitely add a header or a footer message. You just have to type the message and switch on this button. But this is not required. I'm going to switch it off. The next which we have is this stop keywords. So over here, you have to enter the keywords that user can type to stop the AI assistant. So how you can add this keyword? You have to type the keyword and then press enter, and automatically the keyword will add it. And now whenever user is going to send this keyword, this AI assistant is not going to reply to that user further. A manual review will be needed, and after that manual review only the AI will answer back again to that user. The next which we have is this retry attempts. If you wish, you can definitely specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The next which we have is this fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding. You can add your email address so that if the user has some emergency, they can contact you on your support email address if the WhatsApp assistant is not replying. So yes, I've added this email address. Now let's move on further. The next which we have is this knowledge base. So as I told you that I have uploaded this knowledge base, right? And yes, using this knowledge base only my AI assistant is solving the queries. So how you can get this knowledge base? So first you have to enter the knowledge unique to your business in a Google Doc. Go towards this file, download and download it in PDF or TXT format. We support both PDF and TXT, but I'll suggest you go for TXT because for PDF there is no page limit for text PDF. But if you go for PDF that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So I'll suggest you download it in TXT format. You have to go towards this file, download and then TXT. But if you wish, you can definitely upload a PDF too. Now what you have to do is you have to go towards choose a file and you have to upload that same file which you downloaded. And once you upload this file, your knowledge source will be uploaded over here. As you can see, this is the vector ID and the time of uploading this knowledge source. Now we have uploaded this knowledge source. The next which we have is AI interface. So over here it is saying display heading name. So it is saying to enter the brand name. So the name of my brand is this tandoori table. So let's say I'm going to add the same brand name. The next which we have is display subheading name. So if you wish, you can definitely change this subheading and it will automatically get edited over here too. Alright, the next which we have is this initial messages. So you can type the initial message and press enter. You can add up to 2 initial messages. Alright, now let's move on further. It is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So you can enable or disable it from here and automatically this powered by Pabbly will change. The next which we have is this footer text and footer link. So you can definitely edit this footer text and footer link to over here. You can add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. The next which we have is this user first message. So this message will be sent as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey. Now let's move on further. The next which we have is this styling. So you can style this WhatsApp AI chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the colors and the pictures according to your own choice. Now you have created this WhatsApp AI chatbot, but how you can use this for your business? So what you have to do is you have to go towards this embedded from here and you're going to get this script. All right, and you can add this script on your website, but before adding this script you have to save this AI assistant. So first we have to switch on this toggle button and then click on this save AI assistant. It is really important to switch on this toggle button, otherwise the AI assistant will not be activated. Then you can simply add this script on your website, and whenever your user is going to click on this start chat and start the chat from your website, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp and AI assistant is going to reply them. And further, if you wish to assign this AI assistant to your contacts, you can go towards this inbox section. All right, so I'm going to open this inbox section over here, and after coming towards this inbox section, you can assign an AI assistant. So let's say I'm just going to click on this choose AI assistant and assign an AI assistant into this chat. So I'm going to select the AI assistant and click on this save. And now whenever I'm going to get a message from this contact, automatically this AI assistant is going to reply. One by one, manually to all the contacts, you can go towards this settings and then towards inbox settings. And then after opening this inbox settings, you have to scroll till the down and enable this AI auto replies. You have to select the contact list and also you have to select the AI assistant which is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. And you have to first create a contact list by going towards this contact section. A video dedicated towards this contact section has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and create your own contact list. So in a single click, you can assign this AI assistant to all the contacts you have in a particular list and click on this save. And now whenever any user from this list is going to message, this AI assistant is going to reply. So with this, we have successfully created this AI assistant, and now let's test this. Alright, so I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to ask some FAQs, but first I'm just going to clear this previous chat and start fresh. So let's say I'm going to type and I'm going to send this hey, and once I send this hey, automatically my AI is going to reply me. Just we have to wait for a few seconds and it is replying me. Now let's test this AI chatbot. For that, I'm going to open my knowledge base and I'm going to ask this FAQs. So let's say I'm going to ask this question. I'm going to type, can I cancel or edit my order after placing it? And automatically AI is going to reply, and as you can see, it is replying successfully. So you can see that this is the same number which I've added right over here. Let's say I'm going to ask another question. I'm going to send this and I'm going to see that the AI is replying in this too. See, as you can see, within seconds and in real time, this AI chatbot is solving all the user queries. And now with this, we have successfully completed this WhatsApp AI chatbot. Now go try this amazing chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.